Greetings, Super Kids! Commander Romy Plonger here. Or should I say, season's greetings, because Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And you know what that means, right? Stressing out about decorating for the holidays. Oh, and giving thanks. Why don't we check those two things off of our to-do list today as we give thanks while we decorate with a nice Thanksgiving garland. Are you up for it, Super Kids? Whoa, whoa, whoa there, Super Kids! Not so fast! First, we have to make our super plan. First, we'll gather all the supplies that we need. Then, we'll measure our string. Then we'll design our garland, of course. Then we'll prep our pieces. We will decorate. And finally, we will make it super! Here's what we'll need. A ribbon or string, 1 or 2 paper plates, construction paper, coloring supplies, tape, glue, scissors, and lastly, some beads, pipe cleaners, or leaves for decorating. These are all optional. Pause here if you're still getting your supplies. All right, shall we make a Thanksgiving garland? Step 1, we're going to measure our string. First, let's think about where we're going to hang our garland. Think, think, think. Where would be the best place for it? If you want to hang yours across a door, grab your string and measure one end of the door to the other. Make sure you leave a little bit of extra string to be able to put it up. I might put mine across the super submersible's window. Okay, I am going to go measure, measure, measure that window to make sure I have the perfect length. If you need some more time to do the same, pause now. You're back. How'd that go? Let's do step 2, designing our garland. Think, what kind of things do we want to put on it? Maybe grab a piece of paper and write a list of all the things you're grateful for. You can even doodle some ideas. I'm grateful for maps and the ocean, my submarine, and my iron. My mom gave it to me. Oh, I love her. What else? Disco. If you need some more time to think of some things you're grateful for, you can pause here. I'll keep brainstorming. What else? The color magenta, fresh white tennis shoes. Did I say my GPS? Ooh. Got your list, Super Kids? Me too. Let's move on to step 3, prepping our pieces. Collect all your paper plates. First, we are going to draw an X at the center of our plate. Then, we will continue the X all the way to the edge so that the plate is now divided into 4 pieces, or quarters if you will. Grab your scissors and cut out all your pieces. I'm going to start with 4, so my garland will have 4 pieces. You can make as many as you like. Take all the time you need for this step. Oh, I better go get that. Pause now if you're still working. Okay, let's dive into step 4, decorating our garland. Let's decorate each piece with whatever you'd like. Does this triangle remind you of something, Super Kids? What is something that is shaped like a triangle? This triangle's making me think of pie. I'm going to make a slice of cherry pie out of this piece. For my next one, I want to make something that reminds me of this season. Think. Can you think of something that represents fall that you might want to put on your garland? I'll make a pumpkin. What will you make? For the next one, I want to draw something that I'm grateful for. What am I grateful for? Let's check the list. Oh, my sub! Of course. I love my submersible. I'll draw that. What should I make for my last piece? I want to add something out of construction paper. Something else I'm grateful for. Oh, scones, obviously. I just adore my blueberry scones. I'm going to cut one out of yellow construction paper and stick it on my plate. What will you make? Oh, who is that on the phone, you ask? Why, that was my dearest friend, Captain T, wishing me a healthy and happy Thanksgiving season. I sure am grateful for cell service on my submersible. If you need more time, pause now. All right, the ultimate step. Step 5, making our garland super. To string your garland, grab a sharp pencil, a toothpick, or a pair of scissors and poke holes near the edges of your garland pieces. Careful, super kids! You might want to get a super adult to help you with this step if your paper plates are tough to poke a hole through. My wonderful older sister actually taught me how to do this. Poke 2 holes on either side of your garland pieces. Once you've done that, string your pieces onto your string. Think about whether you want the string to show across the front or if you want it to be hidden. If you want it to be hidden, how do you have to string your pieces? Think about it. And there you have it. Now you can string your garland up wherever you want. Maybe you'd also like to add some beads to your garland. Hang some leaves. Make some more garland pieces. Or maybe you can go back to your gratitude list for some inspiration. Let's look back at my list actually. Uh-oh. I just realized something. Give me 1 second, Super Kids. If you need more time on this final step, pause now. Hi again, Super Kids. I was looking at my list and I discovered that I do not have a single person on my list. I have my submersible, scones, the color magenta, but I completely forgot about my wonderful mother, the thoughtful Captain T, and my very skillful sister. Oof! Of course! I'm very grateful for all of them, but I let the thought of making the very perfect garland get in the way. But now we have a very completed, perfect garland and the gratitude of all of our loved ones. If you want to take a photo of your completed garland and send it to us at hello@supernow.com, we'd be very grateful. Thank you for making this with us, and I can't wait to see you again. Ciao!